As you're developing with one version of a service, you may want to upgrade that service for a number of reasons. You may want to check compatibility with your application with as little work as possible. Luckily, on Platform.sh, finding out if another service version works for you is quick to test. Branch your production environment and create a completely identical environment to try out the upgrade. Then clone the whole project locally, either through Git or through the Platform.sh CLI. When changing the runtime version, open up your platform.app.yaml file and edit a single character to the next major version. That's it. Commit and push the change, and Platform.sh will rebuild the entire application, now on that newest version. Production hasn't been touched at all. You can visit the environment's unique URL and do whatever testing you need to, automated or manual. Run it through every one until you know it works like production should. When you're satisfied, merge the update and deploy the identical configuration to production in seconds. Services can be upgraded in the same way. Branch, update the configuration on that branch, push, test, and merge. This process works exactly the same for any change to your code and any upgrade to your language and dependencies, so you can feel free to try out any change you'd like.